Want to eat healthy without breaking the bank? You're in the perfect spot. We're here to challenge an enduring fallacy. Healthy eating is not necessarily pricey. Remarkably, with a few tactical approaches, nourishing your body with superior foods doesn't mean you need to empty your pocket. The significance of a balanced diet is fundamental. It doesn't just help keep your physique in shape, it energizes your body, bolsters your immunity, and sharpens your cognitive abilities. But how do you strike equilibrium between a healthy diet and budgeting? A daunting task, definitely, but it's manageable. Equipped with a bit of pre-planning, wise shopping decisions, and innovative culinary skills, you can savor wholesome meals without straining your budget. Regardless of your health journey's stage, from novices to longtime health advocates, there's invaluable information for all. Hold on for some actionable, easy-to-follow advice for purchasing and preparing affordable, health-friendly meals. So, whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting on your health journey, there's something for everyone. Stay tuned for some practical tips and tricks for shopping and cooking healthy meals on a budget. Knowing where and how to shop is the first step to eating healthy on a budget. To break down this endeavor, it's crucial to focus on a variety of helpful strategies. One of the primary tactics to consider is buying in bulk. This can make a significant difference in your grocery spending. Foods like whole grains, dried beans, canned goods, and frozen vegetables are often less costly when purchased in larger quantities. Besides the financial benefits, this also ensures that you will always have the basic ingredients readily available to prepare nutritious meals even when you're in a time crunch. The notion of buying in bulk extends to the protein section as well. Consider investing in larger packs of lean meats, poultry, and fish, which can be portioned out and frozen for later use. This not only saves cash, but also allows you to have a variety of protein sources on hand for diverse meals. Next, let's dive into the concept of seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables are not just more flavorful when they're in season, but they're also more affordable. Take advantage of this by purchasing a crate of ripe, juicy peaches in the summer, or a bushel of crisp apples in the fall. This can be significantly cheaper than buying these items out of season. Plus, it's an excellent strategy to add a dynamic range to your meals throughout the year and keep your palate intrigued. Another crucial shopping tip is to practice price comparison. Don't just mindlessly grab the first item that catches your eye on the shelf. Look at different brands, examine their prices per unit, and consider the overall quality. In many cases, the store brand can be just as good as the name brand, but at a much lower price. This can result in substantial savings over time. Perhaps one of the most impactful tips is to plan your meals ahead and create a thorough shopping list. How often have you wandered aimlessly around the grocery store, impulsively buying items you don't need, or forgetting crucial ingredients you do need? By planning your meals for the entire week and to a well-thought-out list, you can avoid these common pitfalls. This not only saves money, but also ensures that your meals are balanced, nutritious, and devoid of unnecessary ingredients. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of your freezer. If you encounter a great sale on lean meats, fish, fruits, or vegetables, especially when they're in season, buy extra and freeze them. This way, you'll always have wholesome ingredients within your reach, even when your schedule gets hectic. Remember, a little planning and smart shopping can go a long way in saving money and eating healthier. Now that you've shopped smart, it's time to cook healthy. A fantastic approach to make the most of your budget while ensuring a wholesome diet is reducing your meat consumption and raising your intake of vegetables. Generally, vegetables are less costly than meat, and they're packed with vital vitamins and minerals. Start integrating meatless meals gradually into your regular diet. For instance, a fulfilling lentil soup or a colorful vegetable stir-fry can be both flavorsome and pocket-friendly. One key tip to utilize your leftovers effectively. Instead of throwing out the remnants of your previous night's dinner, think about how they can be used creatively. Leftover roast chicken can be shredded and utilized in homemade chicken noodle soup, or residual vegetables can be scrambled into an omelet for a quick, nutritious breakfast. This practice not only minimizes food wastage, but also saves you effort, time, and money. Cooking in your kitchen as opposed to dining out is another significant factor in following a healthy diet on a budget. When you cook your own meals, you have absolute control over the ingredients and the quantity of servings. Moreover, meals made at home are usually less pricey than meals ordered at a restaurant. If you find that you're running short on time during weekdays, contemplate meal prepping over the weekends. This could involve making large quantities of meals and dividing them for the upcoming week. This ensures that you always have an affordable meal available. Above all, remember that healthy cooking isn't an intricate or costly endeavor. Start with uncomplicated recipes and slowly enhance your cooking range. Utilize herbs and spices to infuse flavor without adding unnecessary calories or sodium. Don't hesitate to try different foods and innovative cooking methods. In summation, cooking healthily on a budget is about being imaginative and efficient. By making minor changes to your shopping and cooking practices, you can relish nutritious and appetizing meals without straining your wallet. Remember, cooking at home not only saves money but also helps you control what goes into your food. Finding these tips helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support fuels our effort to share healthy eating tips. We value your strategies and insights. Share your favorite budget-friendly healthy meal in the comments. Your participation boosts our community's collective healthy eating journey. Together, we can ensure healthy eating without overspending. Now, let's move on to some more tips. Let's dive into some examples of budget-friendly healthy meals. One of our top choices is the timeless lentil soup, a dish that is not only good for the soul, but also for the body. The soup's main ingredient, lentils, is a fantastic source of plant-based protein. These tiny legumes are nutritional powerhouses that are rich in fiber and help to regulate blood sugar levels. What makes this dish even better is that you can incorporate any vegetables that may be laying around in your fridge. The humble onion, carrot, and celery, often called the holy trinity of cooking, provide a solid flavor base for the soup. But there's room for improvisation here. Green beans, zucchini, bell peppers could also make excellent additions. And it wouldn't be proper soup without seasonings like salt, pepper, and thyme. These aromatic herbs not only make the soup more flavorful, but also lend it an enticing aroma that fills up your kitchen. Moving on, we have a crowd favorite, egg fried rice. This dish is a wonderful way to transform leftover rice into a whole new, appetizing meal. The idea is to whisk a few eggs and cook them with the rice in a pan. The eggs lend a rich taste and creamy texture to the dish, making it irresistible. If you have some frozen veggies stashed in your freezer, toss them in. Peas, carrots, corn, or even green beans could work. Just a few minutes in the pan, and you've turned your leftovers into a warm, satisfying meal that's easy on the pocket. Next in line is the spinach and tomato pasta, a meal that perfectly embodies the idea of quick, affordable, and nutrient-dense eating. This meal requires whole wheat pasta, which is a good source of complex carbs and dietary fiber. Fresh spinach, a leafy green loaded with vitamins and minerals, adds a refreshing to the dish. Canned tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, add a tangy sweetness. A dash of garlic and olive oil adds depth and richness to the flavor profile. This pasta dish is as nutritious as it is delicious, packed with fiber and vitamin C. Our fourth contender is sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, promoting good eye health and supporting the immune system. What's wonderful about sweet potatoes is their versatility. A pat of butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon can transform them into a dessert-like treat. Alternatively, top them with some black beans and salsa, and you've got a hearty, savory meal that's satisfying and nutritious. Lastly, we present the chickpea salad, a dish that is as light on your wallet as it is on your stomach. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are packed with protein and fiber. For this salad, all you need to do is open a can of chickpeas, rinse them, and then add some chopped vegetables of your choice. Cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers are excellent options. These colorful veggies offer a delightful crunch that contrasts beautifully with the creaminess of the chickpeas. Finish off with a drizzle of vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and you've got a fresh, healthy meal ready in no time. Eating healthy doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. These meals are proof of that. They're delicious and packed with nutrients your body needs, and they can be easily customized to suit your taste buds or dietary needs. The key to healthy, budget-friendly eating is simplicity. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Make use of what you have on hand, and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. With a bit of planning, can nourish your body and mind without straining your wallet. With these meal ideas, you can eat healthy without sacrificing flavor or blowing your budget. Let's wrap up what we've learned today. We embarked on a journey through smart shopping, understanding that planning is key. By creating a meal plan and sticking to it, we can avoid unnecessary buys and save money. On this journey, we also learned that buying bulk and choosing seasonal produce are smart choices, as they are cost-effective without compromising on nutrition. Additionally, opting for store brands can help manage our budget while still providing us with the nutrition we need. We then ventured into budget-friendly cooking. We found out that by preparing simple meals with few ingredients, we can still enjoy nutritious and delicious dishes. One trick is to repurpose leftover ingredients into new meals. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also saves us money. In the middle of our journey, we pause to remind you to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement drives us to continue creating content that you find helpful and enjoyable. Next, we explored examples of budget-friendly meals. We discovered the versatility of economical ingredients like beans, lentils, and whole grains. These can be used in many ways to create a variety of tasty and nutritious dishes. Today's journey has highlighted that healthy eating does not entail spending a fortune. With some planning, smart shopping, and creative cooking, you can enjoy a wide range of healthy meals without stretching your budget. Indeed, eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. With clever shopping and cooking, you can enjoy a variety of meals without breaking the bank. It is also important to remember that saving money on food does not mean compromising on nutrition. With the tips and tricks we've shared today, you can create delicious, nutritious meals on a budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.